Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about Etsy categories and attributes, and the most important thing with those is to choose the ones that are closest to what your item actually is. And sometimes the Etsy categories and attributes aren't 100% on point, and they don't have all the colors there and that kind of stuff, but use whatever's closest. And then if, for example, you have something that is teal and teal is not one of the color attributes, just make sure you have teal in the title and the description and you'll be okay. But in the attributes, you could choose blue or green, whatever is closest to the color that you actually have, and it will help Etsy to kind of figure it out a little bit. Categories and attributes are used as keywords for Etsy search, so you want to be, like I said, as close to what it actually is as possible. And if you have a product that could go in more than one category, you can duplicate the listing and try it in both. But sometimes when you choose a category that has a lot of subcategories, all of the ones that you would have chosen anyway are included in that. So when you choose a category on Etsy, when you're doing the listing, everything that leads up to the one that you've chosen in the list is going to be included and used as keywords for your listing. So don't worry too much about that. You just want to be accurate so that if people are using those filters, your listing will come up. How many people use the filters for categories? I don't know, but they are used as keywords and so are the attributes. So keep them on point, keep them correct, keep them accurate, and you'll be fine. Give this video a thumbs up. Ask me any questions, that's fine, and I will talk to you later.